Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and basic permissions so the app can control charging. First, confirm the phone supports reverse wireless charging and the app version matches your OS. Once done, charge the source device to at least 30% and remove bulky cases for proper coil alignment. Open the app and grant required permissions like Bluetooth, location, and battery usage access. Make sure the app can toggle the system power share or equivalent setting so charging can start from the app. Now configure precise behavior and get both devices communicating. In the app, choose a charging mode, standard, fast, or eco, and note the estimated wattage so you control battery drain. Next, place the target device centered on the source phone's coil. Use any alignment guide the app provides to maximize efficiency. Then pair the two devices using Bluetooth or NFC as prompted. Wait for the app to show a connected status and a live charge rate readout before proceeding to active charging. Begin transfer by tapping Start and immediately monitor the app for battery percent changes and an active charge indicator. Make sure the app is set to stop at your target percentage or after a timer to avoid over-discharging the source device. Keep an eye on temperatures. If either phone feels hot, pause and switch to a lower power mode. If charging fails, reposition the devices, restart the app, recheck permissions and power share, or select a slower mode. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.